how to delete your Ring account and remove all devices. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your ring.com, or you can even open the application. Simply make sure you are logged into your account. You can tap on sign in, add in all of the credentials and log into your account. After doing that, here you actually need to get into your device settings. Simply tap on the device, and then from there you can get into the device settings, where you'll get to see the option of general settings. Tap on that one, then tap on remove this device, and do that to any individual devices that you have connected. Then after doing that, you can simply, like I said, from there you can actually tap on the protect plan option from your ring.com. Then you can simply tap on the option cancel my active subscription. So after doing that, you'll need to now tap on the account management that you'll be able to see after you're logged into your account. Then you can simply tap on delete account. Then you can confirm the password and delete, and then complete the deletion. So yeah, that's exactly how you'll be able to delete your Ring account and remove all devices.